1. The Man in Black. One evening, a man and his friends decided to create a prank video. They set up their equipment, laughing as they planned their tricks. The setting was a dimly lit outdoor space where shadows dance in the flickering light. As they prepared their props, they noticed a figure in the distance. The person wore a black cloak and a white mask, standing completely still. At first, they thought it was someone joining in on their prank, but soon they realized something was wrong. The air grew colder, and the figure's movements were unnatural, almost robotic. Panicked, the group decided to hide and observe. The man in black slowly moved toward them, his presence growing more menacing. When one of the friends peeked out to see where he was, the figure vanished into thin air. They abandoned the video shoot immediately, their laughter replaced by an overwhelming sense of fear. An old video surfaced showing a group of people on a hill performing a ritual involving a pair of shoes. They threw the shoes down the hill, claiming it would reveal something supernatural. As the shoes tumbled down, the cameraman focused on them, capturing every movement. Then, something terrifying happened. Suddenly, a strange black flame began spreading across the area, surrounding the cameraman. He dropped the camera and ran, leaving the footage behind.
やるわこれし。もうそんなんでいいのかお前。
ああ、面白そうだからいいんじゃない。
よっしゃ行くぞ。
Later viewers of the video speculated that the ritual may have summoned a vengeful spirit or something much darker.
よしじゃあ見に行けばいいんだね。よし行こう。よしじゃあ見に行けばいいんだね。よし行こう。
A dark shadow appeared at the base of the hill, its arms reaching out toward the shoes as though it wanted to claim them. The shadow didn't look human, it seemed like a shapeless, black mist. Two friends spent the evening drinking together in a cozy room. The night started normally, with light-hearted jokes and casual conversation. But as they drank more, the mood shifted. One of them started feeling uneasy, as though they were being watched. The man brushed off his discomfort, but soon noticed a shadow moving behind his friend.
何の効果もねえ。おい。
気持ち悪い。気持ち悪い。ポップコーン食うと絶対復活すんの。ポップコーン1個だと
いくらと。
どんな感じ？まあポップコーンの力はもうダメなのか？聞かねえのか？弱えよ。
The next morning, his friend seemed distant and quiet, behaving as though he were someone entirely different. The man couldn't help but wonder if the presence had somehow changed his friend forever.
さ、レナちゃんにメッセージを言えよ。いい？行くぜ。
レナちゃん、愛してるよー。だもう。
分かったよ。ねえことがあん
う
だろ。
わ、おるね。
言うか？明日見せるけど。
見せない。見せないなとやるよ。
見せないなら。
見せない。
分かったよ。見せないから。
チキンだ。
ちょっと待って。
チキンだもん。
いや今。
Her face was pale, and her expression was one of anger and sadness. Frozen in fear, he couldn't bring himself to say anything. The figure remained for several minutes before fading away. He squinted, trying to make sense of it, and realized it wasn't just a shadow, it was the outline of a woman. A group of friends ventured into a forest at dusk, curious about the ghost stories tied to the area. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the forest became darker, and an unsettling quiet settled over them. While walking along a narrow path, one of them suddenly screamed.
Nanti dulu, Mat tungguin, Mat. Jangan kejauhan. Aduh, kaget banget, gue deg-degan banget, Cok. Kok malah di situ lagian? Dan jangan kejauhan. Jangan tinggalin.
Kemari binian.
Iya, jangan tinggalin.
Ya udah. Ayo cepat kita buru-buru, nggak usah kelamaan di sini.
Pelan.
Standing in the middle of the trail was a kuntilanak pale, ghostly figure with a long white dress and disheveled hair. Her face was horrifying, her empty eyes staring directly at them. The kuntilanak didn't move, but her mere presence was enough to send the group running in fear. The image of her haunting face remained etched in their minds long after they escaped the forest.
Ini gimana tangan gue, Mat? Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah.
The strange family. An abandoned house became the target of a ghost hunter's investigation one night. The house was notorious as the site of a family murder years ago, and locals believe the spirits of the victims still lingered. As the hunter walked through the empty rooms, a chilling silence filled the air.
Iya bang, nggak seru. Iya bang, nggak seru, ya Allah katanya.
Suddenly, a face appeared right in front of him, a pale, ghostly apparition with lifeless eyes. Startled, the hunter dropped his camera and ran.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Exploring a haunted village. A ghost hunter set out to explore a deserted village known for its eerie reputation. Stories of strange occurrences and ghostly sightings had made the village infamous, and he decided to see for himself. Walking through the empty streets, he found abandoned houses with broken windows and dusty furniture. The silence was deafening.
Buat semua penunggu yang ada di sini, bermain. Ketendang sama diri gua sendiri. Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
As he entered one of the houses, objects began to move on their own. Doors creaked, chairs scraped the floor, and small items fell from shelves.
Allahu Akbar. Kita lihat. Nah, bagian yang paling serem itu adalah dapur menurut gua, teman-teman. Karena tadi gua lihat ini menyeremin banget, teman-teman ya. Bisa dilihat ya. Lihat nih bagian apa nih. Ada sesuatu juga di dapur gitu kan. Allahu Akbar.
Suddenly, a shadowy figure appeared in the corner of the room, rushing toward him. The hunter barely had time to react, screaming in fear as he fled the house.
Ini adalah kamar mandi ya.
The footage he recorded captured the terrifying moment, leaving viewers shaken. During a live stream, a ghost hunter ventured into a forest near his home. It was raining heavily, and the sound of raindrops filled the air as he explored the dark woods. Suddenly, he stopped in his tracks. A Pokongo ghostly figure wrapped in white burial shrouds stood directly in front of him.
Ada yang jatuh, guys. Merinding sumpah. Kalau kayak gini merinding sumpah. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Seperti yang kita lihat, tak lama setelah dia melakukan penelusuran,
Its face was pale and
tiba-tiba
lifeless,
dia dibuat
its
kaget
hollow
dengan
eyes staring
penampakan
at him.
pocong yang muncul tepat
The
di
hunter panicked
hadapannya.
and fled,
Dia pun
but as he
bergegas
reached his
pulang.
home, he realized the Poking had followed him. The live stream captured every moment, from the chilling encounter to the ghost's silent pursuit.
Dan tiba-tiba, sosok tersebut kembali mengikutinya. Coba perhatikan.
Jijik banget. Coba. Kita ke depan rumah aja yuk lah. Iya oke lah. Aman banget alis dinam. Kita tapi enggak ada ya. Aduh masih payungnya gigal anjay.
In this video you guys will see scary CCTV encounter where in the hospital in Malaysia reserved a strange shadow. The shadow fully appears in clean view, but everyone could not see it when it happened and just pass it every time just like it was not there. And something you should know is this shadow really not in solid form because everyone there can pass it without any problem. The haunted building. A ghost hunter decided to explore a long abandoned building known for its sinister history. The air inside was thick, and every step echoed through the empty halls. Determined to provoke a reaction, he called out to any spirits that might be present. As he walked past a broken window, a shadowy figure appeared, peeking through the glass.
Ini kita kolab, masa salah satu di antara kita nggak main? Tolong dong guys. Iya. Ya Allah. Ini bangunan kok gini. Pada sempal ngomong. Apa itu? Monyong, cuk. Kakek aneh get-geti wong asu. Wow. Gila guys.
Startled, the hunter turned to investigate, but the figure was gone.
Kita lanjut aja ya guys. Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam. Tadi ada sosok
matane. Apa iku cok dhuwur iku mau cok. Asu tenan. Cok.
Moments later, he saw something even more chilling. A floating feet appeared right in front of him, hovering in the air. Despite his fear, the hunter pressed on, determined to document more evidence.
Matamu picak. Hei, siapa itu? Hei, wasu, matamu picak. Kakak, Mas, tolong Mas, aduh Mas. Siluman moro, siluman mati. Yen kurang do teko kabeh.
Dari channel YouTube Ehab Kasmeya, ini salah satu YouTuber Arab yang populer dengan keberaniannya. Pada video ini, dia melakukan eksplorasi ke suatu rumah yang terbengkalai. Sejarah dari rumah ini kurang diketahui, tapi infonya rumah ini sangat berhantu.
Berhantu ini rumahnya.
Rumah ini banyak kejadian menyeramkan di sana, dan salah satu wujud hantunya berupa sosok wanita remaja dan anak-anak.
Wah, seperti apa ya? Di tangga tuh, di tangga. Gelap banget lagi. Ada kucing. Kucing apa itu sih?
Setelah Ehab masuk ke dalam rumah itu, maka mulailah sesuatu yang dikatakan orang-orang bahwa rumah ini berhantu dan menyeramkan.
Suara apakah itu? Menggaung. Ngeri banget ya ini. Oh, suara apa itu? Tuh, ada suara. Suaranya dari dapur. Sepertinya ada orang di sini. Ayo muncul kamu. Aku bisa melihat kamu, kata jinnya. Ih, serem ya. Tapi kita gak bisa lihat jinnya. Hantunya ketawa. Masih dicari-cari hantunya. Kamu di mana? Ih, serem banget sih kayak gitu. Baru juga apa serem. Astagfirullah.
Sesuatu yang mengerikan dialami Ehab. Dia mendengar suara jin perempuan di rumah itu. Lebih menyeramkannya lagi, Ehab berbicara dengan jin wanita itu. Dan jin itu bernama Nazek.
Nazek.
Tidak sampai sini saja, Ehab masih mengalami hal yang menyeramkan di rumah itu. Dan lebih menyeramkan dari yang tadi.
Cahaya nggak ada boleh redup. Nazek. Ini adalah rumah yang sangat menakutkan yang pernah aku kunjungi. Ih, serem. Itu suara apa lagi? Tuh.
Ehab mengatakan jika dia mendengar anjing menggonggong, dia akan pergi dari rumah itu. Setelah mengatakan itu, dia mengarahkan senternya ke jendela kaca. Lalu nampaklah di belakang Ehab jin wanita yang membuat dia kaget. Jin itu langsung menghilang saat Ehab mengarahkan kameranya ke belakang.
Tapi kelihatan gundul ya.
Jin wanita ini yang bernama Nazek. Lalu Ehab pergi dari rumah itu karena ketakutan.
Oh.
Tapi setelah Ehab pergi dari rumah itu,
Oh, itu.
beberapa hari berikutnya Ehab kembali ke sana. Pada video
Tapi kayak manusia
selanjutnya,
loh.
kita akan menyaksikan eksplorasi kedua Ehab di rumah ini.
Tuh yang ended.
Hi friends. Now you can join us and enjoy some interesting features. You can get special subscription emblems and also use interesting stickers. Let's join and interact specifically in the comments column. Thank you.